Alrighty, so for me to get this piece of carpet, I'm glad it's only on like one side. I don't have to pull the whole interior to get everything out. But my understanding, I'm hoping, I think this is the bottom part only. The back side's separate, hopefully. I just want to yank this part because it's super wet and stinky. And hopefully it's just getting that footrest behind the accelerator. There's some nuts there. I think some things are missing here. There's a nut there, but there was supposed to be a nut there. Pull this out, pull the seats out, and that should hopefully take care of it. Seatbelt bolt too, right here. Maybe. I gotta see where it's at. This has to come out for sure. Let's see. Also, yeah. Usually a clip. You gotta be careful with the handle, of course, right here. I gotta see. Well, that's attached to that. So let me get over here first and then work my way back. Okay, it's a pain. So right here, these clips are pretty tight, which is a good thing. So there's a clip right here. Yank this out. Once you get that out, yeah, you can get this out. This clip is tight for some reason. Looks like they added glue or something, maybe for the leak. I don't know. No? Oh, it's fiberglass. I keep on forgetting. Yeah, I keep on forgetting these cars are fiberglass. Anyways, yeah. Pain. Seat already back because I'm tall. I'll loosen these out or remove them. The two front, then I'll scoot the seat up. It's a power seat. And then move it back. Because basically, well, it doesn't matter. Because basically I'm gonna probably still drive it for a while. Just without carpet. Right there. If you can't, you got a button there. Pretty easy. Oh yeah, this looks separate. That's good. Yeah, that's separate. This is wet. At least it's separate. Connector kind of dangling. Makes life easier, right? Alright, 10mm nut there. 10mm nut right there. That way you get the footrest out. You should be able to get this out next. Right. Well, the good news is I don't have to pull this out. I could leave this alone. Probably need to pull it out, look for leaks though, but at least I don't have to pull it out to get the carpet out. Oh man, and look how soaked wet it is. And that's why it stinks. So, look at that. It's just wet, wet, wet. So definitely needed to get out. And I gotta find out where this leak is. That's not good. Soaked. Yeah, so you can see that's all wet and nasty. I'm gonna wipe it down, but if you want to know what the bottom looks like, there you go. I'm gonna wipe it down because I'm already out with it. But hey, at least I know what I'm looking at. Because race car? Haha, remember that? So there's two leaks for sure, or it could be running. It could be running all the way out here, just coming down. So yeah. Okay.